In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report content on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to flag posts, notes, or comments that violate guidelines, so moderators can review them quickly and effectively. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Substack homepage. From there, navigate to the specific piece of content you want to report. This could be a post, a short note, or a comment within a thread. Open it so you're looking directly at the item in question. Reports are tied to what's on your screen, so being on the exact page helps ensure your report goes to the right place. Next, look for the Report option. Depending on the layout, it may appear beneath the post, beside a note, or within a small menu, often represented by 3 dots. Click Report to begin. This opens the reporting form where you'll be guided through a short set of choices. Click, select a reason to see the available categories. Choose the one that best matches what you're seeing. Typical reasons include things like spam, harassment, hateful or violent content, scams, or other violations of platform rules. If you're unsure which one fits perfectly, pick the closest match. Moderators will read your explanation as well, so the reason simply helps route your report efficiently. You'll now be asked to add additional details. This is your chance to help the review team understand exactly what's wrong. Keep it factual and specific. Briefly describe what happened and why it violates the rules. If the issue appears at a particular moment in a video or a certain section of text, mention the timestamp or a short, relevant quote. If behavior is repeated across multiple comments in the same thread, note that pattern without pasting sensitive information. Avoid sharing personal data or making assumptions about intent. Stick to what you can clearly observe. When your explanation is ready, click Submit. You'll see a confirmation step to finalize your report. Click Submit Report to confirm. This ensures your report is recorded and sent to the moderation team for review. After submitting, you may see an on-screen confirmation. In most cases, you won't receive a detailed follow-up, but rest assured, your report helps maintain a safer, more respectful community. Give the team time to investigate. They'll assess the content against platform policies and take any appropriate action. That's the full process for reporting content on Substack. Thanks for watching, and remember, clear, accurate reports make a real difference.